morning, students. In today's English grammar class, we will study types of sentences. So let us start. First, we will learn what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. For example, Mary is a good girl. Okay? Sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with some mark. For example, full stop, question mark and exclamation mark. It contains noun and verb. Sentence. Here are some of the sentences. For example, I am having dinner. She is going to market. Let's go to the party. He is a brilliant boy. She is a lovely girl. Have you finished your meal? How sweet she is. Come and listen to me. Now we will learn types of sentences. So, sentences have 4 types. First one is assertive or declarative sentences. Second one is interrogative sentences. Third one, imperative sentences. And the fourth one is exclamatory sentences. After that comes optative sentences. So first, we will learn assertive or declarative sentences. A sentence that makes a simple statement is called a declarative or an assertive sentences. Since statements are also called assertions, declarative sentences are also called assertive sentences. Statements always end with a period, okay, with full stop. He is a smart boy. She is a cute girl. I have an exam tomorrow. I'm already late. She is not a good singer. They are out for a picnic. They are not going for a picnic today. So these are the examples of assertive or declarative sentences. All the statements are ending with a certain period. Okay, students? So they are called assertive or declarative sentences. All these sentences make some statement about something or someone. So they are called declarative or assertive sentences. Assertive or declarative sentences are of 2 types. First one is affirmative and second one is negative. Affirmative sentences means positive. Therefore, these sentences give some positive or affirmative information. Now, we will study about the examples. He is a good actor. She is a fine dancer. We have a pet dog. She is writing an essay. I have many board games. Okay, students, so these are the examples of affirmative sentences. All the sentences are positive. Now, negative sentence. Negative sentences state that something is false or incorrect. For example, he is not a good actor. She is not a fine dancer. We don't have any pet. She is not writing any essay. I don't have any board game. Okay, students, so all these sentences are negative. Assertive or declarative sentences are those sentences that make statements about something or someone. For example, she is not a good singer. Okay, this statement is ending with a certain period. Now we will learn interrogative sentence. The sentences that ask questions are called interrogative sentences and they always end with a question mark. For example, what are you doing? Where are you going? Where have you been? What are you looking at? What is your name? In which school do you read? Okay, all these are questions and all these statements are ending with a question mark. Interrogative sentences are of two types, positive and negative. Positive sentence, for example, where are you going? What are you doing? Okay, these are the positive sentences. And negative, what aren't you going to school today? Why didn't you attend the party? Now, we will study about the next type of sentence, that is imperative sentences. So students, what are imperative sentences? Sentences that express orders, command, requests, advices, proposals or suggestions are called imperative sentences. For example, leave my room, mind your own business, that is also a order. Keep silence, that is a order. Work hard is a advice. Go out is a order. Take rest is a advice. So all these sentences are the examples of imperative sentences. Let us see another examples. Please help me out. Please pass me some salt. Please help me with my homework. Can you please come with me? All these sentences are request. Let's go for a movie. Let's go for a picnic. Let's dance together. All these sentences are suggestions. Okay, students. Now we will see another examples. Leave my room, that is a order. Please pass me some salt, that is a request. Take rest is a advice. Let's dance together is a suggestion. Now we will study about exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are also statements, but they express very strong emotions. For example, joy, sorrow, regret, surprise, wonder and fear sentences come under exclamatory sentences. What a marvelous sight! What a beautiful flower! What a great architectural monument! Wow, she won the match! How cute she is! How dashing he is looking! Yippee, I did it! How nice! How lovely she is! What a nice car! I can't believe it! All these sentences ends with an exclamatory mark. Okay, so these are the examples of exclamatory sentences. Now students, let us revise all the types of sentences. Okay, so types of sentences are of four types. First one is assertive or declarative sentence. Makes simple statement and always ends with a full stop. Now next one is interrogative sentences. Ask questions and always end with a question mark. Now imperative sentence. Order, command, request, advice, proposal and suggestion. Now another one is exclamatory sentences. It expresses strong and sudden emotion. Ends with exclamation mark. Okay students, I hope you have understood today's class. So till then, take care of yourself and your family members. Thank you students.